tons of shit about me. Perfect timing. What are the odds on me visiting my parents and a guy's coming to remove a tree? This is a flashback of me from 20 years ago. Most of the trees I did weren't over 60 feet tall. I just passed on those jobs. The risk outweighed the gain. And that's the only saw I ever cut myself with, was a little handsaw. I was holding a branch. I knew I should have my hand out of the way. Razor sharp handsaw. And I zipped my knuckle. When you're climbing a tree, you always want to remove the stobs out of the tree, because if you swing into it or something, it can go through you like a punji stick or a Count Dracula movie. And my climbing style was like a sloth. I didn't climb like a monkey or a squirrel. Safety first.